Hey guys, hi, evening. Welcome to the first, well, technically second, but I'm gonna call it first stream. This is gonna be a modeling stream. I spent quite a long time on, like, sorting out the stream, since streaming is pretty new to me. Let's get to point. So, boxes, I guess. What we see over here is, actually, let me turn down the music. Oh shoot. It's so laggy. What you see over here is just two things. Yeah, there's no, yeah, just, that's how streaming is. There's two areas. Both of them came from the community toolbox. Now, for any modelers out there or anyone who's new to this, just keep in mind that not all the toolbox items are, like, generally safe and may attempt to, break your game for whatever reason. So toolbox is not showing, but that doesn't matter because this is our main focus. I should have really hydrated first. Alright, so first of all, on the left here is the SCP-939 chamber, where you have to progress through the story. Go through here. There should be a hallway down there which leads to the A3 switch, but apparently this model doesn't, but that doesn't matter. So that's the entire, like, room. Let me just see if I can remove the, yeah. So this is like, as you can see, there's supposed to be more than 2 corridors, but I guess apparently we don't. So then this other thing right here, yeah, it's the SCP storage area. This other thing, yeah, you're in the, wait, what corner? Yeah. This other thing, also from the toolbox, is like a custom-made 939 area. That's your 939 rig. That's the ventilation. So someone else has made this. Oh, that's something. Maybe I'm gonna get either Elijah or Melon to, code this, because I don't know how to code it. I'll be real with you. I have never, like, walked in here before. So we're going to do that in stream. Where's the spawn point, actually? Where is the spawn point? Did I remove spawn? Is that not a thing? There is no spawn point. I don't remember deleting a spawn point. Let me do that quickly. Neutral spawn. And the orientation? Yeah, okay. So it's basically like this. I'd like to check with you, is the mic audio and the background music at a good level? I kind of just want to make sure that you all have a good auditory satisfaction. Background music isn't noticeable. I am not coding. I'm not learning coding. That is something I'm not going to do. Alright, I'm gonna turn that on then. I don't exactly... No, wait, we do have a spawn. It's literally right there. It's a custom made. Alright. I'm gonna have a look inside both of these to like see what's in there. Pretty sure. Yeah, this is a small location. Right. I don't need the toolbox for now. Yep. That is not where I wanted to go. Alright, so I think the first thing I want to check first is the monster UI. Oops. I did not mean to do that. Because, I don't know how the monsters, the 939X, as in its AI. Okay, so what is this? Are these like wedges? Yeah, they're wedges, aren't they? They have a texture onto them. I'm gonna try and like not use any of the textures for now. So this is a 939 area. 939 should be like right here. I don't know where it is. What the heck? Why is it so laggy? That's where I came from. Unless 939 is actually right here. No, he is not. Okay, so pretty much smoke doesn't affect. Holy shit. It doesn't move up or down, I guess. Then I think it's the same for the other one, right? There's supposed to be an elevator right there, but for some reason it's not. It's supposed to be like that in the original game. There are no corners. There are no what is it called? Corner wedges. So I'm gonna have to like add that too. This elevator also does not work. What a surprise. Alright. I've checked everything in here. It's basically 50-50 of the 939 area, so it's pretty much I can add it in. And then this one, I don't have a key card, but what I do have is a delete button. There we go. I also have to check in the AI and see if I have to like, what the f... I also have to like, what's this? Huh, okay. I also have to check the 939 AI. This is oh, what is happening? What the fuck? Oh, wait. I see. It's my thing. Don't worry. Okay. I'm guessing this is the same as well. Yeah, it is. That's really cool. I'm gonna send maybe you or Watermelon the thing, the code for it, so you can inspect it, because I still don't know how to code. The environment here is pretty much like kind of the same. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, so why do I have two models that have 939 inside of them? It's so I want to try combining both of them into like one. I keep doing that. I'm just trying to combine like two like separate models into one thing. You know, for fun, to just test out my model skills. How's my audio quality? Is it like Is it just that? Is it like a fellow AI sort of stuff? Nothing else? You're like stuck? Okay, it's an instant kill rig. So the AI is basically just follow nearest player kill. Right, okay. Should probably change the music. Yeah. How's the stream quality actually? I haven't checked that myself. Let's see this. Yeah, that's good enough, that's good enough. Yeah, how are you guys doing? I have to like sort something out. Right, how do I combine these two then? Actually no, I do remember there being a... Yeah, I remember this lock gate, which doesn't appear to go anywhere. I don't think it's supposed to go anywhere. So then I can just connect this I can connect the blast door area and put it to here, which makes sense. Something like this. Yeah, it fits. It fits. I'll try and make it fit. Then let's see. God, this is exciting. Let's do... I don't have any, other background music. I could just put on the, OST for Interloper. Let's see, videos. Ooh. Yeah, you should all check out Project Skybox. It's so peak. I'm not sponsored yet. Alright, this is good. This is Bob. This is good enough. Alright, so flippin' heck. As a reminder to all, you can, you know, ask questions not even related to modeling as well. I'm gonna have to like... Yeah, I'm gonna copy and paste this. Alright. I'm gonna put this into replicated storage for now. I like storing things originally, so when I come back to them I can actually alter them without having to go through the hassle of doing everything else. So, as planned, these two will connect via the bunker. I'm also gonna save this one. Put this aside for now. Just for safety reasons, in case anything. Oh, yes, you have an idea. What's up? Well, you made several streams building in. I could do that. As in, like, with my own style. Let me check chat. One stream completing storage areas. I could do that, but like, I'd have to like, you know, do this, make guns, make assets. I don't know how it's gonna be. If it's gonna be like a itself showcase, as in like an exploration. Oh, I might I might get someone to code in a super navigator as a default item. Yeah, I could do something like that. But what's... right now. I'm gonna ungroup everything here. It says there appears to be this thing, which is just the model itself. I don't. And there's also actually I'll put this into replicated storage as well. Replicated storage. Yep. Then this is all just the chamber stuff. Okay, so the group. Yeah, so I have the roofs done. Alright, so this. What is this? Why do we have textures for this when you're only looking from the top? And this texture as well, you know, to like sort that out too. It might not even be game accurate in terms of, yeah. Why not? I guess the first things first I want to do is the what's 1471? You're gonna have to like send me the wiki doc for it. Oh, but you want in the furry, right? Okay. I don't know how that's gonna work. Let's check. Yeah, okay. Right. So, these boxes, metal, null, whatever, I'll put that aside for now. I think the first important thing would be, I think the elevators are fine. Maybe I could just rework it somehow. So I'll just take this. And then the walls are actually quite easy. All I have to do is just like make a like singular model of the wall and then like stretch it. Let's start by doing that then. I'm gonna lock the flooring first. I don't think it will take me that long. Oh, okay, the also like that. I think I'll do it so that it's up to ones. Why is this a separate model? Are they all like this? Okay, okay. And then I also had to like sort out the textures as well, because yeah, I don't need this. Don't need this either. Do we need it? No, we don't need the top. Because we only look forward. We only see one side of it. I'm gonna delete the rest of this as well. As well as this part. Why is this labeled 76? Oh no, I need that. Okay. What is this? That's nothing. I'm gonna rename both of these to what do I rename them to? Skirting concrete. Or wait, no, I could just I'm also gonna have to like check in the measurements. Oh dear, oh wait, no, it's good, it's good. What's 1.2? I'll change mine to 164. What's this? This is the width. How high is this? Well, let's turn that into 5 actually, it's closer to 5. Let's do 30. 30 for this. For the thing, I'm gonna do... Let's do 2. So... over here. I don't... Yeah, no, this is only just a texture overlay. Another thing is this one. I don't know... Wait, no, we still need the textures on. We still need the textures on. Just not the ups and bottoms, because, seriously, who can even look at that? As it's not, like, viewable. I also want to do, like, wall decorations. Furries are, yeah. You seem like you're dealing... Yeah, there's only 2 viewers. Wow. It's fine. I'm not looking for... That's 8. Is it public? Is my stream public? Yeah, it is. It's just existing. Alright. Yeah, wall decorations. I don't know what kind of wall decor there might be. I'll put this here. It doesn't appear to have... Yes, there we go. Yeah, no, Discord is not on. So, technically this is sort of like a, optimized asset of it. Let me see if it's like up to, like, good. Technically I could just union them, but like they would lose their... Yeah. I could just union them, but I'm not really sure how... I also have to make the corner wedge version. So what union? Add texture. Then texture ID. So it should have this one then. Yeah, and then what? That's not the front. No. Okay, in that case, I'll just, like, not union them and leave it as a model. Actually, I'll make them a model, actually. Then there's also the corner wedges. Both the... no... so for corner wedges I can just do this. And sort of like get a idea of, you know, that. It's good enough. Right. Ungroup. What's this? This is 1.2. And this is 1.2. I have to sort out. I have to turn this into a. Where is it? Flip. Did I move it or something, or did I just like not? There should be a thing where you can change the shape of it. I don't know where it is. Resizable? No. Should I remove the texture first before doing that? No, it doesn't make any difference. What the hell? Did I like get affected by an update or something? Because I don't know where it is. It's not in pivot. It can't be pivot. No, it can't be. What the hell is happening? It doesn't matter. I'll just get a corner wedge. I have no idea. Yeah, like, look at that. Like, why? Is it just because, regardless whether it's anchored or not, what like, it's probably like an old model or something. Okay, so I wasn't bugging out. It's not because of an update. It's because like something happened somehow. What's this? 1.2. I also have to like anchor it. What is this? It's like concrete. Yeah, like that. And then oh, then just put this back up here. It's gonna need like a texture as well. What is it? Do I need to put in 2 textures for it? Okay, yeah, I do have to put in 2 textures for it. That is quite the, I'd say annoyance. Why is texture part of this? Yes, there we go. Oh, I see. That's a problem. That's also a problem. The textures don't match. So, I'm going to have to, like, get a optimized model then. What is this? Concrete. Flip. This is for parts. And this is for wedge. Where's texture? I don't know how I'm supposed to like add in my own spin to this, unless I add like grooving to the, you know, panels and stuff. There we go. What is this? 1 point... yeah, everything is like 1.2. Apparently so. Yeah, they're both 1.2. Now, why? Oh, okay then. Does this have texture? Where is texture? On the other side. I don't exactly know how I can... Because, of the, yeah, I'm gonna have to optimize that. Like, would I have, like, indentations inside of a thing? Or what? Okay, I've never checked, let's do right. No. Left. Back. Okay. So theoretically this is, but yeah, okay. 1.2 and 1.2. So it should fit right in there. Yes, there we go. There we go. That's the corner wedge done. Yes. Expected to have problems like this, but it's a minor thing. Oh, that's unheard of. I've never had a problem like this. And then this as well. Is chat dead? I'm gonna check. Is chat broken? What do you think about the architecture? Actually, I do, this is, what do you think about the architecture of the SCP facility? The SCP facility is like, in lore, it's supposed to be like, constructed as in a maze. So, in my opinion, the convenience to get from one place to another is like really how do I say this? Really inconvenient. So, as you know, since scientists have like different keycards and whatnot, you know, 1 to 4. You know how like in like entrance zone, there's like a few toilets and whatnot. I don't think those exist in heavy containment or light containment zone. So having bathroom inconvenience, which is I don't exactly know if I'm making my points. I'm just really terrible at explaining things. No, since scientists don't have the right keycard level to go to light entrance zone just to go to the bathrooms, it's like really inconvenient. As well as the architecture is like really repetitive. It's like postmodern, not postmodern. It's more like modernism, where it's like limited to a limited amount of materials, like this one. So for postmodernism, it would be you know, just adding certain additions like pipes and insulation, as well as decals. Is this not part of it? Why, is it on the same Y level? Yeah, it is. It's supposed to be on the same Y level. It's probably just the decals. Okay, so that didn't take me long. We now have a corner part as well as the optimized wall link. So I guess I should probably like let me copy this. I know I've got like duplicates of it already, but why not? What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to uh I'm gonna replace all the old walls with the new ones. Um let me just model this actually. Yeah, like that. I'm gonna replace all these walls. Yeah, it's kind of weird that light containment is deep in heavy containment. I don't think I don't remember light containment having bathrooms. Maybe I just don't remember it. Because the only time I've ever seen bathrooms is in entrance zone. So we finally have all three corners. So I think I should probably replace them. Oh right, I completely forgot about these. I have no idea what these are. They don't seem to appear in any of the rooms except the areas except elevator entrance. It's so unoptimized. I'm keeping this actually. I'm keeping this. I don't know. Actually, no. Are these all texture? How are they made? Are they? If they're like meshes, I can probably remake them. Decontamination gas? Oh, okay. I'll put this into a model first. Oh yeah, and the lights. I'm gonna remake the lights as well, because the lights look really shitty. So I'm gonna put that aside for now. Duplicate this. Duplicate that. And then I'm gonna... Yeah, these need sorting out as well. There's no like, framing, which is really weird. So I'm gonna have to like make a frame independent part for it. But let's just get started on the thingy then. So over here then. How is it chat working? Is it good? Is it like covering the screen? I don't know how it's going right now. I shouldn't like... Yeah. So by the time actually I have to like measure this. By the time like I have all the walls replaced, I'm going to add in some decorations around the walls, because you know, bland as hell. What's the what's the distance between these walls? Let's see. So it's like here, then what's the distance? It's like well, yeah, let's do 10.9. Let's do 10.9. So it would probably be 10.9. Not much of a difference, but like I kind of just want to have everything as organized as possible. Right? Is it good? I can't tell. Okay, we have the thingy. I'll probably just... yeah, like that. I don't wanna ungrip everything. The elevator as well, it's... I don't know why it's like that. I'm gonna first group these together, since they have like a middle to it. These are also like this. Yeah, so it's already becoming like that. Oh, that's weird. That's strange. Is it not already like that? Yeah, that's strange. It doesn't matter. It's fine. Right. Right. Time to get rid of these. Of course I'll keep these temporarily until I replace them with my own style. I'm obviously going to keep the ones. Yeah, something like this, yes. Right. How far would this be then? Let's do 4385. Actually no, yeah. 4385. Four three eight five. 4385. Yep. Oh, I completely forgot about this. I completely forgot I had to make it so it touches the ground. It's fine. It's good enough. It's cozy enough. How long is this? Wait, no, I can just check it with the, thing. Because... I think it's intentionally supposed to be the same width. Yeah, something like that. So I can kind of just use this as a sort of reference points. I think... No. It has to be way further in. Like this. Okay, then I'll just have to use that as a reference point then. Yeah, something like this. And I'll just remove... Actually, no, I can't yet. I can just delete these. I don't need these yet anymore. Because I have this. Then I can just use this as a reference point again. Well, wherever this goes. Shit. Oh, that's not good. Right. I don't know what's... Is it fine? Is it good enough? Let me repair this actually first. Yeah, you've got your inwards corner already here. So there's no need to, like, worry about... Yeah. And then there's also the problem of... Yeah, there we go. If it's sea fighting, it's good. I know it doesn't, like, look much, but it'll get a redecoration later. I'm gonna add in some, like, grooving into the walls as... Yeah. So, like, something like, if I have this, if I have this into one texture, I can probably, like, do something like this. Why is your pivot like this? What the f... I can probably do something like this, where... with subtle detail where, if you see these lines, so I can kind of just, like, indent it, sort of like this position. Maybe halfway like this. It'd be cool, but, I'm gonna, like, replace all the walls first. Because they're, like, really unoptimized. Yeah. I'm gonna do that. Have you guys seen the amazing digital number 8? My ear hurts. Yeah, okay, that works. Yes, okay. So then I can just use that as a reference point as well. That is, if that's able to. Uh-huh. Let me just remove this. Yeah, there we go. I can just undo this. Because this is just a separate part. Then do a little stretch, I guess. I wonder, actually, I wonder if they still keep the textures after a union. And if I separate it. Yeah, okay. That's convenient then, so I can just union them, then separate them anytime. It'll still keep the data models in regards to the texture. So theoretically, I could just union them, stretch them to the desired route, and then separate them, and yeah, but still keep the textures. That's good to know. What I need to sort this out, actually. Okay. I think maybe one of my friends wants to try streaming, so we know how to, like, teach him how to. Yeah, what did I want to add in? Yeah, I wanted to, put... Yeah, this one. Okay. And then this one... Holy shoots. That is magnificent. Okay. Where does this go then? Is it like a... Really? Is it just... Okay then. Now selling your data to the Chinese government. That was like really funny back in the day. Nope, I didn't mean to do that. So then I could just take this one then, and then put it back in here, making a really optimized corner slot. Yeah, like that. It's like so peach. I wonder who is... Yeah, there's nothing else going on. Why? Okay. I don't need to, like, model this in. Right. Yeah, I should probably, stop this as well. Yeah, there's also that one too. Let me, sort that one out. So, same technique here. Gonna copy these. Wait, no. How is it gonna go? I don't have, like, any reference points because of this wall here. Actually, no, I do have a reference point. I could just make a reference point using this wall over here. This is quite difficult. how are these separated then? Oh, okay, it's just that bland. Yeah, I can probably think of something up. I'm not too sure on what these are. I'm not sure if they're actually modeled like this in the actual game, as in like with you know, lazy stuff. I don't know, scaling. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this one. I could just recreate it. It's a possibility that I should be able to recreate it. Alright. Moving on. There are two bunker intersections I could... Or I could just... make that into that. It's a thing though. Does this follow these... No, this... Yeah, so I'll just use the same style then. I'm gonna start making these walls into something, and then I'll figure something else. Probably union them all. Yep, alright, okay. Let's do 100. Oh yeah, I am planning to remake the for those who if you don't know, I have like a portfolio thing where I just, you know, put all my works into it. What's Neo Warfare? I've never seen that. I'm gonna kill something. Damn, okay. I'm gonna steal that part. Why is your orientation like this? I do not... Why is it like that? Are they all like this? They're all like this. I think I know why. It's because of the scaling. I just realized why it happens. It's the Z fighting. What is this supposed to be? So it's not 100 then. I'm gonna keep the crates into the same place. So I can just... I could like make alternate crates as well, like, just make it into like big box containers. I think it's the best choice for me would be to do this after stream, since it's not much to look at. But what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna put this on the side for now, since it's pretty easy. What I'm gonna start doing is remaking these models. as you can see, just these two. I could like make it into uh 1 to 2 boxes, like sort of like crates. For example, in this area, this area, I could like have 3 crates over here, and I could just have a double crates like this. It'd be really cool. Wait, what the hell? Oh, flip's sake. It's fine, it's fine. We have backups. Alright, let's start with this then. Okay, so I can see why it's like scaled like this. Actually, no, I can't. It's supposed to be like this. Alright. Since this is an old model, I'm gonna have to like recycle the assets. Oh, unfortunately, no. So black. And which? Yeah, these all use textures, don't they? Yeah, they all use textures. It's that old they have to use welds. I don't even know when this model came out. I'm just surprised it still exists. I think the first thing I'd like to do is it's like paint, right? So what size is this? Fix this. I have to anchor them as well and make them plastic. Smooth plastic. So what's the thing? Right, so let's start off with this one. I don't have like a thing here. This color theory is just amazing at this point. Yeah, these panels. What are they like? Just pure yellow? Like skin tone yellow? No, they're a bit orange. Something like this, and oh no, I could just add in decals. But at the same time, I am going to like make my own textures. Unfortunately. Unfortunately speaking, I might have to make my own textures. This is good enough. What volume is this actually? This is still volume. This is still volume 1? I recognize that house actually. I recognize that house. I could just bring down this one. Sort of like the same wood, anyway. I need to steal this part. I kind of just want some dirty, like, some, like, degradation textures on it, but I'm not really sure how I can add that in. And this is completely black. How long is this gonna go for? 7.5. Yeah. Some degradation and dirty texture should do to make it like rugged. I don't know how else I should say it. I think that's created. That's like a mark for now. I guess I'll just rename it. How are decals gonna work then? Let's see. Usually when I like add in like finer details, I would just search up like dust or just rusty particles to make it, you know, dusty. I guess. I'm not really sure how else to. Like fog textures as well. Something like this, and then just texture it black. And then if I decrease the transparency, be like 9 or 8.5. Could be something like that, as well as a border. Like a fade border, dark border, something like this. Give it like something thinner. Yeah, like this one, I could just do this, then a 5, I guess. Works? No. I try to. 5. Yeah, something like this. It's good enough, I guess. Now for this part. I don't know how it's going to like work. How long has it been? Oh, an hour. So that's like 1.6. 1 by 6. Yeah, like that. And then the only other problem is, yeah, I don't exactly know how to get it to the right orientation. Unless I don't. Then I could just theoretically, do this. This being... trying to figure out the textures, I guess. This being... let's see. Let me, scale you down. Something like that. I could just... make it, like, side by side, and then mirror it on the other side. I also have to steal its textures, colors, I mean. Separate. So its general texture should be, this one then. And then, what else? It's just... scaling this back. And applying... this texture. There we go. Then, in a theoretical sense, I could just mirror it back. After this. So it would be like, I am just recreating it. How am I supposed to, like, do the yellow bit? That's something I haven't thought of. If only I could, if only I had, directional, anchoring. But unfortunately, I don't. So in the next stream, I'll just... after this stream, I'll just have to figure out how to sort that out. Is that, like... is it really like that? No. Unfortunately so. What is this? It's just completely black or what? Hi, hello. This is a... Hi, how did you find the stream? That is my question. Are you like from the Discord server or what? I don't... yeah, I've never seen you before. In regards to, Gloria 9447, welcome to the, modeling stream, I guess. I don't have anything else to say. If you have any questions, anything else, I can answer them. Are you still there? Black boy. I should probably, use events first. For whatever reason, maybe. And then... yeah, these are all just, things. Separate and... mirror. Yeah, okay. Good, it's good. I'll just union them for now. The hell? Ugh, that's weird. Right. I'm gonna leave it here for now, so I can just sort of, I guess, leave it as is. Quite, like, convincing, actually, from a far perspective. And then the next thing I should probably do is the lights. Now, this one, if I try to ungroup it... Actually, no. Why is there a billboard GUI? What's the texture do? That's the texture. That's the image label. I see, I see. That's really terrible in terms of thing. So what I'm gonna do is actually make it into an actual texture. It's kind of basic, so yeah. Sometimes it just does that. I don't know why. Whatever the case. Just really hope he comes back soon. Sorry, I don't know what's happening with me today. I'm gonna finish up this model, and then I'll call off stream, because I am really tired for some reason. First of all, this is what texture is this? It's a really bland texture. Can I see the other side? It's like this. Hello, if you're new here, then just exist, I guess. Oh, what was this gonna be like? This is somewhat like a same color, but it's like purplish in the hue. So I guess I'll just solve this out then. What is this? It's like 2. That's 6, and that's a 1. Okay. Should be simple enough. I can just turn it into a cylinder and go from there then. The only problem is, the light itself. Like this one. Yeah, so... then I'd have to, like, union it somehow. I'll duplicate this. Like, negate, yeah, negate. So I can just do this. If it's possible. Oh, okay, no, never mind. Yep, there we go. That's the light. But as basic as it is, it will change. I just don't have the mental capacity to like figure out what it should be like. Ugh, god damn it. So the light source is sort of yellowish. Let me turn this to a neon. I guess that's something like this. And then, not a rotation. Yeah, something like this. I'll also have to add in a point light. No, not a surface light, a surface light. For the... I don't know, what is it? Left? Not left, it's left. I don't exactly know how far it is, or how the lighting is like, but I'll figure it out eventually. I should probably change this. Yeah. Right, that's all light's done. I would love to do the box over here, but as I said, I don't have like the mental capacity, and I am pretty tired. So I'll leave this here for now. Let me put it to the side. So I'll leave this here for now. Finally, so for the next stream, you'll expect to see all the walls, you know, just replaced with the newer optimized textures from the start, as well as these things, whatever they're called. You know, to move on to the next procedure. These walls will also change again, since it is kind of bland, and it's not the outcome I want for now. As well as these parts, I might want to like remake it into like something better. This is just like an example. So it will also change, as well as the lights. The lights look, the light design looks, you know, bland as hell. Why does it keep doing that? Let me roll it up. So, you know, to finish off, yeah, the pipes. I'll sort out the pipes as well, for the next one. Just to finish up, I'll probably stream again when I have the energy to. Christ. I don't know how to end this off. Thank you for, you know, attending the stream, even though no one is here. But just for the starters. Then let's call this a night then. I'll see you later then. Thank you for coming. And this is a goodbye.